Standard 6th, Science, Lesson number 8, our skeletal system and the skin. Let's recall. Children, in previous standard, you have studied about human organs and organ systems. Can you tell me what is organ? Yes, an organ is a collection of tissues joined in a structural unit to serve a common function. In short, you can say it is a group of tissues which perform one common function. Organs exist in most multicellular organisms. See children, multicellular organisms have organs, including not only humans and other animals but also plants. Now what is organ system? Functionally related organs often cooperate to form whole organ systems. Means if few organs function is similar, then they come together to form one system. Like group of cells form tissues, group of tissues form organs. Similarly, group of organs forms organ systems. In this lesson, we'll study about skeletal system. The skeletal system consists of bones, joints, teeth. The bones of skeletal system are connected by tendons, ligaments and cartilage. Now let's discuss about functions of skeletal system. First one, skeleton is the internal structure in organisms which helps in bringing about movements. Now which movements? All body movements are depend on the skeleton. Second one is it forms a framework that gives the shape of the body and provides support to organisms. Third one is the skeleton is made up of bones. Fourth one, different kinds of bones are joined to each other in a particular manner. Fifth one, these joints facilitate various types of movements. Sixth one, in higher animals, bones, muscles and cartilage together make the movement possible. Muscles. Muscles are parts of the body that help in bringing about movement. Muscles may be attached to bones or may work alone. Okay? In human beings, muscles are attached to bones, and in case of earthworms, muscles work alone. Look at this figure. Look at the pictures. In this, you can see different types of muscles. Next point is cartilage. Part of the skeleton that is not hard as bones and can be bent is cartilage. Look at the figure. In between two bones, you can see some space there, and that is nothing but cartilage. Look at the figure, you will come to know what is cartilage. They are found in the upper part of the ear, the tip of the nose and at the tips of long bones. Bones. Children, look at these pictures. You can see different types of bones here. Bones are hard and they are not flexible. Bones are made up of mainly two components, that is cells, which are biotic components, and other abiotic components like calcium carbonate, calcium phosphate, minerals and salts. Calcium gives strength to the bones. Children, now we'll discuss about types of bones. There are four main types of bones in human body. First one is long bones. Structure of these bones is long, hence these bones are called as long bones. Examples are radius, ulna, femur, tibia, fibula. Okay, all these are long bones. Next type is short bones. Structure of these bones is short and hence these are called as short bones. Tarsals and carpals are the examples of short bones. Next one is flat bones. Look at the picture. Scapula, sternum, ribs, hip bones, cranial bones. These bones are flat in shape and hence they are called as flat bones. Fourth type of bone is irregular bones. Yes, obviously, they don't have definite shape or they are irregular in shape. Hence, these bones are called as irregular bones. Vertebrae, bones of vertebrae is example of irregular bones. Functions of bones. First one, bones provide shape to the body. Second, bones act as a protection to internal organs like brain, heart, lungs, etc. See children, these are very important organs, vital organs in our body and hence these organs are protected. Yes. Third one, provides support to the body and anchors muscles. Fourth one, bones serve as storage space for minerals like calcium and phosphate. Fifth one, bones help in facilitating body movements. Sixth one, bones serve as the birthplace for red blood cells. It means red blood cells, RBCs, are produced here. Next is human skeleton has two major divisions. Means human skeleton is of main two types. Axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton is made up of skull, rib cage, sternum and vertebral column. Appendicular skeleton is bones of the upper limbs, lower limbs, the pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle. Axial skeleton. See, look at this picture. This is skull. This is example of axial skeleton. Next is rib cage, vertebral column or backbone. This is sternum. Look at that colored part in between rib cage, that is sternum. And all these are examples of, or all these four types of bones are included in axial skeleton. Appendicular skeleton. Look at this picture. These all are the examples of appendicular skeleton. See, these are different types of bones which are included in appendicular skeleton. Mainly you can say bones of arms and legs are included under appendicular skeleton. Look at second and third picture. These are bones of arms and legs. Next point is joints. The bones in our body are connected to each other by means of ligaments. There are two types of joints. First one is movable joints, means which joints where you can move your body parts. Examples are bones of arms and legs. Next is immovable joints. Examples bones of skull, but exception is lower jaw because all other bones of skull you can't move except lower jaw, which you can move. While talking also you are moving your lower jaw. Movable joints. First example of movable joint is hinge joint. Look at this picture. These bones can move in one direction only. That means you can say in 180-degree angle only. Examples are elbow and knee joints. Next is gliding joint. In this type of joint, the bones can only slide over each other. Examples are wrist and ankle joint. Third one is ball and socket joint. In this type of joint, the bones can move in two or more directions. That is, you can say in 360-degree angle. Examples are shoulder and hip joints. Next point is the skin. It is the outermost covering of the body. It is largest organ of all the living organisms. The skin has hair and it is very important sensory organ. We can feel touch because of this organ only. Look at this picture. This is structure of skin. Outermost layer of skin is called as epidermis. It has various layers in it. Melanin pigment is also present in this layer. The percentage of melanin decides the fairness or darkness of the skin. It protects our skin and inner parts from ultraviolet sun rays. Below this epidermis, there is one more layer which is called as dermis. It is made up of network of blood vessels and nerve fibers, which maintains normal body temperature. Below this dermis layer, there are hypodermis and muscle cells. Now let's discuss about functions of the skin. First one, protecting the internal parts of the body like muscles, bones and organ systems. Second, help preserve the moisture in the body. Synthesizing vitamin D. Releasing sweat to regulate body temperature. Giving protection from the heat and cold. The skin function as the sensory organ of touch. When we walk or play in the sun, we get tired. But at the same time, our skin becomes wet and this is nothing but sweat. There are some glands in the skin which produce this, which secrete this sweat to regulate body temperature. Our body temperature usually remains constant at 37 °C. So children, in this video we have studied about human skeleton, different types of bones, their functions, then skin and its functions. In this way we have completed lesson number 8, our skeletal system and the skin. Thank you.